anti-Semitism, like racism, is a spiritual and moral malady that sickens societies and kills people with lethalities comparable to history's most deadly plagues. In recent years, the censorship and false narratives of woke cancel culture have transformed our great universities into greenhouses for this deadly and virulent pestilence. Making America healthy means building communities of trust and mutual respect based on speech freedom and open debate. And then he included a link to the hhs.gov. So that's weird. And then he's decided that anti-Semitism is a health crisis. Like, this is not what we put you, this is just not what we put you in office for. I don't care who needs to debate any of this, other than this is not what people put you in office for. We wanted you to go after vaccines. We wanted you to go after the CDC. We did not want you to establish anti-Semitism as a health crisis. And The Atlantic was right when they wrote this headline: make public health officials stay in their lane again. Fighting anti-Semitism isn't RFK Jr.'s job. Yes, that is correct. What are we even speaking about here? Why is RFK Jr. feel like he's just being moved by Rabbi Shmuley in the background and not focused on what we put him in office for? Why is RFK Jr. not the first person that's all over the JFK files? If he's going to do some outside work outside of focusing on health, and he's really worried and wants to dedicate his time, I would think maybe looking into the JFK files and giving us some sort of a conclusion of what he thinks could be interesting, but that's not what he's doing. And so what's interesting is I have begun to wonder who's got something on RFK Jr. And indeed, as I said, because Olivia Nuzzi's got a big mouth when she's not busy hunting big buck, there is some interesting stories that are circulating in the background, and it does